Dashara, one of the most famous festivals of India, which is celebrated worldwide. Dashara is not just a celebration in India, but it's a part of people's life. A festival which is known for many aspects like praying to 9 different avatars of goddess Durga, burning effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghananda, a battle between Mahishasura and goddess Durga that lasted for 9 days. Vijayadashami, celebrated on the 10th day, which is symbolic of the victory of good over evil. Dandiya, popularly performed socio-religious folk dance. And not to miss the Gombe Habba, or the festival of dolls celebrated by enthusiastic individuals during Dashara every year, displaying them on a multi-stage platform and inviting friends to come over and have a look. We at Sri Krishna Chetty Group of Jewelers passionately present our Dasara dolls. We have a wide range of collection like Sita Swayamvara, a story of Sita herself choosing Rama after Rama's Virya Shulka. Best deserving the best, but at a cost. Saptamadrika, super powerful goddesses, creators, preservers and protectors, powerful enough to overcome any challenges, teaching us to fight against any fearful situations in life. Dashavatara, teaching us the importance of evolution from being just an underwater creature, Matsya, to becoming a Gautama Buddha. Krishna Tulabara, a story of true devotion, and Brahmotsava, Lakshmi Hayagriva, and many more heritage stories with modern concepts.
Saptamatrike dolls, Brahmi, the great warrior form of Saraswati, the Shakti of creator god Brahma. Maheshwari, the power of Lord Shiva or Maheshwara, and also known as Raudri, Raudrani and Shivani. Kaumari, she is also known as Kumari, Ambika and Kartikeyan, and she is the power of Kartikeya, the god of war. Vaishnavi, the power of preserver Lord Vishnu. Varahi, the power of Lord Varaha, the boar-headed form of Vishnu. Indrani, she is also known as Mahendri and Vajri. She is the power of Indra, the Lord of Heaven. Chamunda, she is also known as Yami, the power of Devi Chandi. She is very often identified with Kali. Mobile and musical Ganesha, the large elephant-headed Lord Ganesha symbolizes wisdom, understanding and discriminating intellect to attain perfection in life. Ganesha with mobile symbolically depicts the abdication of knowledge through technology. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, neither has a human heart seen such spectacular and wonderful divinity of the Lord. The Adhunika Ganapati concept showcases that we are heritage but modern without losing on authenticity. The indigenous and tribal display evokes human tribe characteristics like sense of unity, common culture and protection awareness. Also depicted is the beats and music that have evolved from nature. At CKC, we have a strict ethical sourcing practice where we track our diamonds from mines to the market.
Lord Hayagriva is worshipped as the god of knowledge and wisdom. With a human body, horse's face, seated on a white lotus with goddess Lakshmi on his lap, is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Goddess Lakshmi is always associated with wealth and prosperity, and Lakshmi motif in jewelry is an evergreen heritage design. We at Sri Krishna Chetty Group of Jewelers, with time, knowledge and wisdom, are specialized in catering to our customers with variety of concept-based coin designs. Not just in jewelry, but also in silver and gold coins that we manufacture, like the Gandaberunda coins, Mysore coins, Margosa coins, Kubera Lakshmi coins, Lalbagh coins, Onam coins, and so on, providing premium products to our customers. During these festival times, we at Sri Krishna Chetty Group of Jewelers welcome you to visit us and take a look at the colorful display of our Dashara dolls at all our magnificent showrooms and boutiques. And we wish you a very happy Dashara, Karwa Chauth and a very happy Deepavali.